In the Holy Scriptures, the creation of woman is a profound testament to God's intricate design and boundless love. As we delve into the biblical account of Eve's creation, we uncover not only the beauty of God's work but also essential lessons that resonate in our daily lives and contemporary society. The creation of woman, a divine masterpiece. In Genesis 2:18, we read, "And the Lord God said, It is not good that the man should be alone, I will make him a helpmeet for him." This declaration sets the stage for one of the most beautiful acts of creation. God, in His infinite wisdom, recognized the need for companionship and created woman from man's rib, signifying equality, intimacy, and unity. Genesis 2:21-22. The use of Adam's rib to create Eve is profoundly symbolic. It illustrates that men and women are to stand side by side, not one above the other. This partnership is further emphasized in Genesis 2:24, "Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh." This unity underpins the foundation of marriage and mutual respect. Applying biblical lessons to our lives. Equality and partnership. The creation of Eve from Adam's rib teaches us about equality. In our daily interactions and relationships, we must honor this divine principle by fostering respect and partnership. Whether in marriage, workplace, or community, recognizing the equal worth of each individual is paramount. Companionship and support. God's creation of woman as a companion for man highlights the importance of companionship. In our lives today, we are called to be supportive and loving companions to one another. This principle is essential in nurturing healthy relationships and building strong communities. Unity and oneness. The concept of becoming one flesh emphasizes unity. In a world often divided by various issues, the biblical call to unity is more relevant than ever. As followers of Christ, we should strive to promote unity and understanding in all our endeavors. Relevance to current events. In today's world, issues of gender equality and women's rights are prominent. The biblical account of Eve's creation provides a foundation for advocating equality and respect. By upholding the principles of mutual respect and partnership, we can contribute to a society that values every individual equally. Furthermore, the story encourages us to be vigilant in our roles as companions and supporters. In times of crisis and uncertainty, offering support and companionship to those in need is a powerful way to live out our faith. Inspirational reflection. As we reflect on the creation of woman, let us remember the divine intention behind this act. Let us embrace the principles of equality, companionship, and unity in our lives, seeking to build a world that mirrors God's original design. With love, Brother Wes. Knights of Paradise Ministries. For a better experience, watch our full videos and visit Knights of Paradise.com for good reads.